Align the 4 positions on the contra angle with the 4 slots of the handpiece. Install contra angle on handpiece. Rotating the endo file gently to find the right position, then push it gently inside the contra angle. Hold the back button to remove endo file. Press the main switch to turn on the device. Press the setting button, then press the main switch immediately to turn the device off. Ten memory programs to customize rotation direction, speed, torque. ATC means after reaching the preset torque, the file will reciprocating. When the torque released, the file will keep rotating. The reciprocating angle is adjustable. In M1 to M10, long press setting button to select Endo file system. The device will automatically set the rotation speed and torque recommended by the manufacturer. You can also change the speed and torque. Long press the setting button and the main switch together to enter the advanced setting interface. Please don't install Endo file while calibration. Autoclavable parts. Detach the contra angle from the handpiece and clean the surface. Connect the nozzle to contra angle and make sure it fits well. Cover the contra angle with a tissue paper and while holding the lubricant upright, spray for 2 to 3 seconds with full pressure. Keep wiping off the debris that oozes out of the shank side and repeat until clear oil comes out. Wipe off excess oil from the surface and position the contra vertically for 2 to 3 hours to allow excess oil to drain out.